Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to upload your resume to Handshake for review. The first thing you're going to want to do is scroll over to this icon. The letter will be the first initial of your name. Then you'll scroll it down to My Documents, click Upload a Document, choose File. My file has been saved under Downloads, but yours will be wherever you saved it last. Click on the document, click Open. You can change the name to whatever you want the name to represent. Make sure the document type is accurate. So mine is a resume, so I'm going to click resume. If you want to make the document public to employers on Handshake, you can, but you don't have to. And click save. Takes a few seconds for your upload to go onto Handshake, and then you'll see it successfully is now on Handshake. If you click this back button, you'll see that it is under review. That means that the document is currently under review and it will be reviewed by one of our career counselors who will give you feedback on your resume. You can take that feedback and make updates to improve your resume. That's all. Thanks. Have a good day.